Y2K style, fashion, everything about it is so in right now. Like if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know. I've been editing my photos like I'm in a Y2K magazine. I've been watching so many late 90s, early 2000s rom-coms, and I recently watched Rockstar, which I don't think falls under the rom-com category, but you know what I mean, right? It's like that kind of movie. And I literally have not been able to stop thinking about Jennifer Aniston's style, her hair, her makeup, her outfits in that movie, specifically the glitter extensions. Yeah, like strands of sparkle in her hair. I have them in mind right now. And today I'm going to show you how I put them in. I ordered the toolkit on Amazon and it came with like all these tools that, surprise, I didn't actually end up using. To say that I struggled would be the biggest understatement of the year. I'm just gonna roll to the clips of when I first tried to put them in because it was tragic. All right, we got our tools and our tinsel. I'm gonna live out my dream of being a Betty Spaghetti. So to be honest, I just watched a YouTube tutorial on Pop Sugar's account on how to put this in, and they didn't even use any of the tools. So I kinda wanna see if I could do it without the tools because it looks really complicated. You basically take the tinsel and make a loop at the top and take the hair. I'm gonna take like a thicker part of hair. I have my loop and hang on. This is not very easy right now. Okay, the loop is gonna go over top and you're gonna string the extension through it. Okay, did that work? What? No? Oh God. Pull, 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 pull. What the fuck? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Dude, I don't know. This is frustrating. Tie, grab, knot. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. Many meltdowns and almost like bordering tears later, I had this brain blast that I could just tie the extensions onto bobby pins and then install them that way. Like, boom. I don't know why I didn't think of this in the first place, because to me it screams like, you could do so many different colors, you can take them out, you could place them like wherever you want, you don't have to worry about like the actual installment because it was so hard to do. And then it also doesn't like break your hair because I've put a lot of extensions in my hair in the past. A moment of silence for when feather extensions were super in and I used to put those in myself. I just don't want to think about this phase of my life again, but this was a learning experience, let's just say that. I just needed to take a 15-minute break because I was going to have a mental breakdown, but in that break, I just came up with a different solution in which I don't have to break any of my hair and I can actually use these over and over again anytime I want. Bobby pins! I am going to tie these pieces of tinsel to bobby pins and I'm going to hide them in my hair. So we're gonna try to do it with some very, very small bobby pins. So I'm gonna just take like a bunch of pieces of this. We'll do 5 or 6, I can't tell, and I don't really have the patience to count. I've just strung them on the bobby pin like this. I'm going to simply tie this in not 1, but 2 knots. There we go. And now I have strung the little hair extensions onto the bobby pin. Okay, I freaking did this. So then you can just put it in whenever you want. I'm sorry, I'm getting really overheated about this. But you could just put it in whenever you want. Well, that obviously looks really bad right now. But, do you see what I mean? I've got all this extra on the end. I could have probably done it a 3rd time and actually made it even more pronounced. But look at that. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my God, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start making even more and just putting them in my hair and we'll see how that looks, okay? Yeah. I'm just gonna keep putting these in my hair. I feel like a Barbie doll. Okay. Oh my God. Wait, this is like cute. Okay, obviously you have to like hide it in your hair better. Let's do some silver now. There we go. Then our silvers are done. I will cut them because they're like super long, but the idea is there, you know? I'm gonna do some where it's gold and silver on one. Then you have options. Grab some scissors and I'm gonna shorten the like stragglers at the end. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this, and the fact that like they're removable, so you could get so many different colors of tinsel and just have a party all the time in your hair. Oh, and then you can like put it up so then you can see like more. Obviously I wouldn't use this kind of clip, but like so sick. What does it look like in like a ponytail? Okay, put them in little pigtails and then boom, you've got like sparkles going. Guys, the hairstyles are endless, and this just elevates it. This is just super fun to do, and I feel like a great way to spice up any look. The fact that you can then use so many different colors and you don't have to commit more than like an hour if you don't want, just based on the fact that they're literally hooked up with a bobby pin. Like, it's just a game changer. I don't know why I didn't think about this before. So let me know if you guys end up trying this at home, and please tag me on Instagram if you do, if you post any photos with your sparkly extensions. I'm just gonna put this back in because it does go with my outfit. Well, that's it for me from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me on the struggle bus, because that's where if I didn't get off the bus when I did, I would be in struggle city at this moment. So thankfully I hopped off, but I'm gonna stop talking in this weird metaphor now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.